Hi, I'm Alexa, and this is gonna be the tour of my horse carriage thing, and yeah, and I'm Bianca's Vijay. I'm the one. So she's got this beautiful necklace that light up when you press this. It didn't work anymore because this is old, and she's got the glitter thingy and her dress, and this one crystal switching things, and I ponytailed her, and she's beautiful. So moving in here, you've got all of my, this is not all of my doll, all of my doll is in the cabinet. So yeah, and then here is baby Chelsea or Kelly. Hello, I am Chelsea. You can call me Kelly. And then here is statue Ariel. Here's Jake, Sasha. That's all the babies. And this is the teenager, which is Skipper. I painted her hair purple. I don't know why. And I cut her hair just to have a bangs. I promise I do this, all of this. And here is Barbie, and I cut her. I don't know why. I cut her bangs here. I don't know why. So she got an earrings, a beautiful earring. So yeah, and here's another Barbie, but I call her Amanda because I've got a Barbie here. So that's why Amanda. And then she can change her. You can change her clothes though. And I braid her. And this bangs. And then yeah. By the way, I've got this glittering nail polish that I nail polish. And you can change her clothes. Sorry for the loudly noise that you will hear. And oops, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm holding camera, just one camera. But I just wait. Yeah. This we'll just wait. Can you wait for a second? And yeah. Sorry for this. I can't hold it one hand. And yeah, here it is. And when you press this, it lights up and sings, but it's broken. I don't know why. There's a glitter here and I missed it. And then here's Nikki. Has an orange earring, and here's and makeup, and then here's another Barbie ballerina, but I call her Samantha because I got a lot of Barbie, and I painted her hair purple, and yeah. Whew. And then here's doll is from me, but this one is from my cousin, her, and Elsa, yeah. So, boop. And then, ooh, we've got here is Mariposa. Yay, my newest doll. And then she had a beautiful blonde hair and this makeup and this glitter wings and her necklace, and then yeah, and this shoes, and then it can turn into a dress. Just can you wait for a second. I just turn on the dress. And now I've turned her dress into there, and I can turn it again into a wings. I mean butterfly. So let me just I'm gonna show you how to do it, and yeah, you just need to click the butterfly, and it comes into the wings. I'm sorry for the camera, it's so weird. Oops, skipper, get out. And it's gonna be a horse cage. Oops. Please stand by. So yeah, starting here, the sofa, the wheels, 4 wheels, leaves, design, roots, and yeah, and this wheel, and then let's go up. Let's sit down at this beautiful sofa. Oh, but first, I've got a butterfly here, and a flower. This go along with the flower at the middle. So let's sit down. Let's just sit down. When you sit down, you can see, oops, sorry for the camera, you can see another chair. It can turn into a flat dome. And this. That. So let's go on it. And this design with these shoes, and then this another chair. You can see this, and then here's a thingy. You can put your things. And the red shoes of Barbie. It's too dark. And there, and yeah. Let's go out. Oops. Outside is the horse called Majesty. This roots, and this one hold their thing. Put it out, and here's, oops, sorry, Majesty. And this one, you can put it up. I'm sorry for the noise, if you can hear it. It's just too hard to get it off. So yeah, that's all. This one, and that's for the horse cage. Oh, it can move too. see. So for today, I'm gonna say bye-bye for this film. Like, comment, rate, subscribe. I'm sorry for the camera, sorry for the noises, and I'm sorry that this is just my Barbie things. And in May 23, I'm gonna have a toy run. I think I will. I think I will catch the I think I will um take the Barbie dollhouse, and I'm gonna have a tour show like that. So bye.